Welcome to CyberWorldyt. Like and subscribe if you are new here. Also follow me on Instagram in case of any queries. Let's get started. Before we dive into the exciting world of open source intelligence, we need to talk about responsibility. It's like wielding Thor's hammer. Immense power requires careful control. Think of OSINT as a powerful tool set. In the right hands, it can be used for good, helping investigations, finding lost loved ones, even protecting national security. But like any tool, it can be misused. Unethical hacking, privacy invasion, these are serious offenses. We need to use our knowledge responsibly and ethically. Always respect privacy and stay within legal boundaries. With great power comes great responsibility. Now let's explore the world of OSINT. OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence. It's about gathering information from publicly available sources. Think social media, websites, public records, even obscure forums. Why is this important? Because it helps us connect the dots. Imagine you're a detective investigating a case. OSINT is like finding clues scattered across the city, a witness's social media post, a suspect's online forum activity, a company's publicly available financial records. By piecing together these seemingly insignificant bits of information, we can build a bigger picture and uncover hidden truths. It's like solving a puzzle, but instead of cardboard pieces, we use digital footprints. And trust me, everyone leaves a digital footprint. Now, how do we actually gather this open source intelligence? The process might seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and knowledge, it becomes much more manageable. That's where Kali Linux comes in. This powerful operating system is a favorite among cybersecurity experts and ethical hackers. Think of Kali Linux as a toolbox specifically designed for ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals. It's not just any toolbox, it's a comprehensive suite of tools that can handle a wide range of tasks. It's packed with hundreds of tools, and many of them are perfect for conducting OSINT investigations. From network analysis to vulnerability scanning, the possibilities are vast. These tools can help you scan websites for vulnerabilities, map out networks, uncover hidden connections, and much more. Imagine being able to see the digital footprints left behind and piecing together the puzzle. It's like having a high-tech detective agency at your fingertips. You can delve deep into the digital world and uncover secrets that are hidden in plain sight. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The tools you have access to are incredibly powerful and must be used ethically. We're going to learn about these tools for educational purposes only, to understand how they can be used ethically and responsibly. It's crucial to always stay within the bounds of the law and respect privacy. Ready to dive into some of these powerful tools? Let's embark on this journey together and explore the fascinating world of open source intelligence and cybersecurity. Let's start with reconnaissance, the art of gathering information about a target without raising any alarms. Imagine you're a scout, venturing into unknown territory to gather intel before the main force arrives. That's what the Harvester does. It scours the internet for information related to a specific domain name, organization, or even an individual. Give it a target, and the Harvester will diligently search through search engines, social media platforms, and even Shodan, the search engine for internet-connected devices, to find email addresses, subdomains, IP addresses, and even employee names associated with that target. It's like having a team of digital scouts working tirelessly to map out the digital landscape for you. Section 5. Unveiling identities, email secrets with Metagoofil. Now, let's say you've gathered a list of email addresses associated with your target. These email addresses can be a goldmine of information if you know how to use them effectively. What can you do with them? Simply having a list of email addresses isn't enough. You need to dig deeper to uncover the secrets they hold. That's where Metagoofil comes in. This powerful tool is designed to help you extract hidden information from documents associated with those email addresses. Metagoofil dives into the metadata of publicly available documents like PDFs, Word documents, and spreadsheets that are linked to those email addresses. Metadata is often overlooked, but it can be incredibly revealing. Metadata is like hidden information embedded within a file, often revealing details about the author, the software used to create it, the date it was modified, and more. This information can be crucial in understanding the context and origin of the document. Metagoofil extracts this valuable information, potentially revealing internal file paths, usernames, software versions, and other sensitive details that can be used to build a more comprehensive profile of your target. By piecing together these details, you can gain a deeper understanding of your target's digital footprint and uncover secrets that might otherwise remain hidden. Section 6. Diving deeper website analysis with Maltego. Sometimes we need to dig deeper than just emails and metadata. We need to understand the relationships between different entities, websites, individuals, organizations, and even documents. That's where Maltego shines. This powerful tool lets you visually map out these complex relationships, uncovering hidden connections and patterns. Think of it as a digital detective board, where you can pin up photos, connect them with red string, and draw conclusions based on the emerging patterns. Maltego can map out an organization's online infrastructure, identify key individuals and their connections, and even track down the digital breadcrumbs left behind by malicious actors. Section 7. Visualizing connections, graphically representing information. One of the key strengths of OSINT tools like Maltego is their ability to present complex information in a visual format. Instead of sifting through pages of text and data, you see nodes representing different entities, such as websites, people, and documents, connected by lines that represent their relationships. This graphical representation makes it much easier to spot patterns, identify key players, and understand the bigger picture. Imagine trying to understand the plot of a movie by reading the script versus actually watching it unfold visually. That's the power of visualizing OSINT data. It transforms raw data into actionable intelligence. Social media is a goldmine of open source intelligence, offering a treasure trove of information at our fingertips. People willingly share details about their lives, their connections, and even their thoughts and opinions. Every post, comment, and like can reveal something about a person. SpiderFoot is an automation tool that helps us navigate this vast landscape of social media data. It simplifies the process of gathering and analyzing information from various sources. It can take a piece of information, like a username, email address, or even a phone number, and use it to uncover associated social media profiles, websites, email addresses, and more. This tool can dig deep into the digital footprints left behind by individuals. It's like having a digital spider crawl through the interconnected web of social media, meticulously gathering every piece of data it can find. SpiderFoot spins a web of connections that reveals the target's online presence, mapping out their digital interactions and relationships. This network of connections can be visualized, making it easier to understand the relationships and interactions between different profiles. This information can be invaluable for investigations, competitive analysis, and even for reconnecting with long-lost friends. Whether you're a detective, a business analyst, or just someone looking to reconnect, SpiderFoot can be an essential tool. By leveraging the power of SpiderFoot, you can uncover hidden connections and gain insights that were previously out of reach, making the digital world a little smaller and more connected. Sometimes knowing someone's location is crucial, and you might be surprised how much location information is readily available online. Many photos and videos embedded with GPS coordinates, social media posts often tag locations, and even websites can leak IP addresses that can be geolocated. There are several OSINT tools and techniques that can leverage this information to pinpoint someone's whereabouts, track their movements, and even identify potential meeting places. This can be invaluable for investigations, search and rescue operations, and even for simply understanding the geographical context of online activities. As we've seen, OSINT tools are incredibly powerful. They give us access to a wealth of information that was previously difficult or impossible to obtain, but with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to use these tools ethically and legally. Always respect people's privacy, obtain proper authorization when necessary, and use this knowledge for good. Remember, the goal of OSINT is not to invade privacy or exploit vulnerabilities, but to gather information responsibly and use it to make informed decisions. That's it for our crash course on OSINT techniques and tools in Kali Linux. If you're as fascinated by the world of cybersecurity as I am, subscribe to CyberWorldYt on YouTube for more videos like this. We'll dive deeper into other exciting aspects of ethical hacking, digital forensics, and cybersecurity. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the fascinating world of open source intelligence.